How to create a no makeup look if you are a beginner. First, start by prepping your face. It can be a simple skincare routine followed by a primer if you want your makeup to last long. Next up, I like to use a skin tint. I am obsessed with skin tints and currently I have dry skin, so I'm loving this one. This is one of my favorite skin tint. It just gives you a very hydrating, dewy finish and just makes your skin look so glowy and whatnot. Next up will be your brows, and not doing it is a no-no, so I just like to follow my natural line and then set it with a mascara or a brow gel. And here I just forgot to record the application of my blush. And yeah, I love lip tints because it just gives you a very natural finish. And applying a little bit of bronzer to bring back the color because it's a very monochromatic look. Then the important features are your eyes, and if you already have a go-to look, you go girl. But if you don't, just apply a dark brown kajal or a eyeshadow and apply it very closely to your lash line and smudge it, and do the same thing with your lower lash line, but thoda niche se, because we don't want to apply a nude kajal, but at the same time we want that big eyes effect. And then take your sweet little time with curling your lashes and applying a mascara. And if you get clumpy lashes, just use a spoolie after your mascara dries and take off the excess. And yeah, I'm just applying a brown lip liner because I had a meeting, so I wanted to keep it very minimal. But if you want, you can do a bold lip. It will only enhance, like your whole face. And yeah, I had very fun creating this look because this is my go-to look when I don't know what to do. This is what I do. And yeah, let me know if you found it helpful.